Hello. Welcome to Math Solutions. In this video, we will go over the addition of complex numbers. In order to solve this problem, we must group the real terms and the imaginary terms. After, we can add the like components of each complex number. I will start to group the terms. I will add the terms to receive my answer, 8 plus 11i. We will use the same process for the next problem. Group the terms. Receive our answer, 12 plus 11i. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to contact me using the email in the description for help on any math assignment for a small fee.